All right, welcome back. In this example, we're going to look at the total surface area, the lateral surface area, and the volume of the rectangular pyramid below. And this time it's not kind of leading me through the steps. So I'm going to just do them on my own. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the perimeter and the area of the base, which means the first thing I have to do is say, what is the base? So every single time you're going to see me do this first with prisms and with pyramids. So my base, it says it's a rectangular pyramid. So I know it's a rectangle, even though I don't have my little 90-degree angles in there. I know it's a rectangle where I've got 10 and 16. So the area or the perimeter is going to be 10 plus 16 plus 10 plus 16. So the perimeter of my base is going to be 10 plus 16 plus 10 plus 16 gives me 52. So that is the perimeter of that base. Now the area of the base, it's a rectangle. So the area of the base is its base times its height. So not the base and height of my pyramid, but the base and height of the base. So the base is 16. The height is 10. So the area of my base, 16 times 10, is 160. You can check it in your calculator. Okay? All right, so now that is the kind of work that we need to get done. And then the only other two variables we're going to need are our height, our chandelier height, h, and our slant height, the rolling the ball down the side height. And they gave them both to me, so I don't even have to use Pythagorean theorem to find one. I just have them. Okay? All right, so now let's look at I'm going to start with, even though it says total surface area and lateral surface area, I know when I find the lateral surface area, that 1/2 PL, I know that I'm going to be using that in my total surface area. I'm just going to add a base to it. So I'm going to do this one first. 1/2 PL. My perimeter, we already found, is 52. My slant height, they gave us that in the picture, it is 17. So my lateral area then, I can put this in the calculator, is 1/2 times 52 times 17. I'm just putting it all in the calculator at one time. It looks just like it does here. And I hit enter and get a lateral area of 442 square inches. Now I'm going to find my total surface area. So for my total surface area, that's going to be that 1/2 PL plus I'm going to add a base. I already found the 1/2 PL. That was 442. I don't have to do that again, right? I already know that that is 442 plus my base. Plus, we found the base. The base is 160. All I have to do then to get my total surface area S is say 442 plus 160. That gives me 602 square inches for my total surface area. Volume. Last but not least, volume. My volume is 1/3 base times height, capital B, little h. My volume is 1/3 my base. We already found the base. The base is 160. The height, that's the h, the chandelier height, the falling straight down height, that is 15. So my volume is 1/3, 1/3 times 160 times 15, which gives me 800. My volume is 800. And again, these are inches and it's volume, so cubed, because these are squared. These are to the first power. So when you multiply them, you get inches cubed. Okay, let's talk real quick about cones before we move to our next video. So for a cone, we're going to look at the total surface area equals pi RL plus pi r squared. My lateral surface area is pi rl, and my volume is 1/3 pi r squared. Now, when we look at these, you can see where the formula will come from. 1/2 the perimeter of the base. My perimeter in a cone, that my perimeter is going to be a circle, right? So your perimeter is really your circumference, which is 2 pi r. So in the formula, if I do 1/2 of 2 pi r, that's just going to be 1 pi r, right? Half of two of them makes 1 pi r times that L. So it's still really the same formula, right? Pi RL is really 1/2 of 2 pi RL. And then plus my base. My base is a circle, so it's pi r squared. Okay, and then when we look at volume, it was 1/3 the area of the base times the height, 1/3 the area of a circle, pi r squared, the area of the base, times the height. So the cone formulas are derived from the pyramid formulas where the base is a circle. Okay, so come on back in the next video and we will look at these two cone examples. All right, thanks so much for watching.